Want to discover a quick and effective way to dodge duplicate records in Zoho CRM? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating unique fields, ensuring a seamless and clutter-free CRM experience. With various lead sources and team members in the CRM mix, the risk of duplicates rises. A unique field like email addresses acts as a record's distinct identifier. Passport numbers, social security numbers, and custom fields can also be marked as unique, preventing the creation of duplicates. This way, Zoho CRM will not allow the creation of a duplicate lead or contact that holds the same unique field value that already exists. To mark a field as unique, log into your CRM, click on Settings, Customization, and Modules and Fields. Click the Contacts module and click the Standard Layout. You can drag and drop the email field, click on the three dots, click on Edit Properties, and check the Do Not Allow Duplicate Values. For this video, you can see there is already an email field marked as unique. Therefore, I'm not going to save my changes. A pro tip, check out the link in the comments for our video on finding and merging duplicate entries. It's really useful for managing group email addresses. If you found this tip handy, share it with your team, like, follow and subscribe to stay updated on our latest releases. Let's keep your CRM clutter-free.